Okay, today we're going to look at a mental math strategy called counting up. Now, counting up is when we look at the difference between two numbers, which is useful when trying to solve subtraction problems. So, just to give you a very basic subtraction problem, I'll look at 5 take away 2 equals 3. Now, you all know how to do that, and we're going to move on to some slightly more difficult strategies or problems soon. But what that basically means on our number line is we've got 5 here, and I'm going to take away 2. And 5 take away 2 is the same as saying what's the difference between 5 and 2. So the difference is 1, 2, 3. I've got 1 there, and 1 there, which equals 3. So when we're solving subtraction in our head sometimes, what we can do is, instead of trying to think, okay, what is 5 take away 2, what will I have left, you can say, okay, we'll start with 2 and we'll count up. How many gaps is there from 2 jumping up to 5? And the reason why we do that, if I just change my color for a second to blue, is that what we're saying is that we've got 5. So I've got all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we're starting at 2 because that's how much we're taking away. So I'm going to take away these 2 here. These are disappearing. So if I start with 5 and I take away 2, the difference, so from 2 to 5, is what I've got left over. Sounds may sound a little bit on the difficult side, but we're going to demonstrate it for some slightly more complicated problems. Let's say I've got 59 take away 25 equals. Okay, what I need to do is I need to start here at 55 on the number line. And in my head I'm thinking, okay, I've got 59 and I'm taking away 25. Now what I can do is use my knowledge, my addition knowledge, to help me solve this subtraction problem. And I can do jumps. I can go 35, I can go 45, and I can go 55. We're a little bit out of proportion there, but that's alright. We can go 35, 45, 55, and I know those 3 jumps are all jumps of 10, 10, 10, and then I know it's one little jump of 4 to 59. So I can look and I can say I got a 10, I got a 10, I got a 10, and I got a 4. 3 10s and 4 is 34. Okay, so that in a nutshell is how we do counting up. Now I'm going to explain it again, just using another problem, just so you know. Now there's other approaches to it. Okay, so I'm going to, let me use a different color this time, blue. Let's say I've got a problem like 96 take away 68, and you have to think in terms of a number line. So I've got 96 here and I've got 68 here. Now to make it easy, what I might do is I might start this one by just jumping up 2 to 70, and then I might go 80, 90, and again I'm way out of proportion here, and then up to 96. So I've got 2, 10, 10, and 6. So I've got 10, 20, 22 plus 6 equals 28. Okay, that's counting up, and I hope you found this helpful. All the best for using your counting up mental strategy in your head.